Hi everyone, today we are talk about top 7 museums in the world. Let's start. Museums are proof of discoveries, traditional practices, human creativity and other evolutions. The buildings are forth-lived the stories of war and politics, dance and science, art, culture. They inspired generation after generation through their rich collections. Museums are generally classified into the five types, namely generally national history and natural science, science and technology, history and art. They groups future and subgroups. Internally, museums serve in the private gallery of the worldly and crimely layer of society. A public examination was hardly allowed. In 1793, Louvre in Paris allowed full public access. Even though people were allowed in the museum period of their various riches. Accordingly, several carried in the International Council museums, there are more than 55,000 museums in 2,200 countries. Right of art museum and science museum to chocolate museums and video game museums and in relation mainly educational people on the craft and the society. It is storehouse invention of discoveries. Here, the list of the top 7 museums in the world. Number 7. The Metropolitan Museum of the Art, New York City, New York. The largest museum in the Western Hemisphere in the Metropolitan Museum of Art is the Kingdom of Knowledge and the Discovery through Art. It has more 2 million items, right from the prehistoric to the 21st century. The museum has been divided into different sections in the medieval arts, Greek, Roman arts, the American wing, Asian arts, etc. The most marvelous artworks in the museum are the Tomb Raider in the Egyptian collection and Adams and Eva engraving in the attraction there. It is also one of the best tourist attractions in the New York City. Number 6. Uffizi Gallery, Florence, Italy. One of the House administrative and legal office of Florence in 1560. Uffizi Gallery is one of the finest museums in the world. It was built between 1560 and 1580, and the building itself is rare architectural species. The museum horizons paintings, figures, and drawings, etc. from various eras. The most prominent in the residents in the period. Few among major attractions of the Uffizi Gallery are the Birth Venus by Sandro Botticelli, Coronation of the Virgin by Para Angelo, Portal of Pope Leo X with 2 candles by the Raphael. Number 5. Acropolis Museum, Athens, Greece. A fine example of engineering marvel, the new Acropolis Museum is a replica of the rich history of the Greece. Thought it's built 21st century. The treasures of the back-to-day replicas. The glass flooring around the visitors wonder of the ruins and ancient Athens neighborhood. As the visitors ascend of the steps on the discovered civilization and ascend Greece. Structures of Parthenon are the main attraction in the museum. The rectangle gallery has the structures in the same way to that the cellar of the temple. In the first floor, the structures are face standard so one gets a clear unmeasured idea. The sunlight strikes the gallery future illuminated by beauty. Number 4. The British Museum, London, England. One of the oldest museums in the world. The British Museum is the largest museum in England. it has more than 8 million objects. The museum was built in 1751 and is dedicated to human history and culture. Various departments of the museum belong to ancient Egypt, ancient Greece, and Roman Middle East, America, Europe, Asia, and etc. One interesting fact about the museum is it has the world's second best collection of the Egyptian settlers outside Egypt. Number 3. The Louvre, Paris, France. The Louvre is the heart of Paris in the world's largest art museum. One of the royal fortresses in the became a museum in the end of the 18th century. The 21-meter tall pyramid made up to the tall and the glass welcomed the visitors. It is also the most visited museum in the world. The museum has the huge collection of the more than 380,000 objects and 35,000 ranging from 6th century BC to that the 21st century. It has country-list pieces, sculptures, painting, drawing, etc. But the main attraction of the Louvre is the world-famous painting of Mona Lisa. Apart from that, the wedding fractal canal captures the eye of visitors. Tourists are also guided thoughts from the pieces and thought giving an idea to imagine of life of the Frenchmen. Number 2. State Hermitage, St. Petersburg, Russia. Set up in the year 1764, State Hermitage is one of the largest oldest museums in the world. It was built to keep private collection in empresses in the Catherine Great but since year 1852. Hermitage has but often to public display. Presently immediately in the gold, the faces has been painted several times in past. The museum has more than 3 million items and is considered an extremely important art museum. It has paintings by various artists like Da Vinci and Picasso, Rubens, Goethe, etc. The major attractions of the museum are the golden misses and Lucia in the all others. The State Hermitage includes in the winter places 6 beaches and along in the river Neva. Number 1. Smithsonian Institution, Washington, D.C. One cannot talk about museum by overlooking some Smithsonian Institution in Washington, better known as the Castle. It is world's largest research and museum complex. The Smithsonian's collection includes 19 museums and galleries, 9 research centers, and the National Zoological Park. Hope Diamond in the James Hall and the National Museum Natural History. The Wright brothers and 1903 Flyer in the National Area and the Space Museum in the dress of the First Lady Bronze and Ruby's red slippers in the National Museum of American History, the major attraction. The National Museum of the African American History and the Cultural is one of the natural museums in the entirely dedicated in the American Museum in Lifestyle and Relationship. The Smithsonian Institution has 140 million objects, so you must place your visitors properly.